Alright guys, so here's how to find files by date modified in Windows 11. It's quite simple, so let's get started. So as you can see, we have got some of the files right over here, but there is no title options like showing, which is showing like name, date modified, type, size, like that. So there is no details. So how you can get the details? So for that reason, you need to tap on this option, which is view, and then simply go with the details option, and there you have it. So that's how you can get the date modified. So now if you just tap on the date modified, it will be like selected or sorted in ascending order. Then again tap on that, it will be now selected as descending order. That's how you can select or find files by date modified. But if you want to find a specific file with specific date modified, then you can simply go with the search option and then go with date modified like this, type like that, and then go with the colon, and then you need to type in the date. Like first you need to type the month, then a slash, then date, and then the year, like this. Now as you can see, we got two files. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.